I asked ChatGPT to predict my next mistake, not because I'm reckless, but because I believe in proactive failure management. Also because I was bored and had eaten too many grapes. So I typed, act as a prophetic life coach with a hint of chaos. What dumb decision am I most likely to make next? It answered instantly. No hesitation, no blinking. It said, you will agree to a networking brunch, panic, and then ghost everyone including yourself. Excuse me? So now I'm beefing with an AI psychic who apparently knows me better than my therapist, but I kept going. I asked, what else am I likely to screw up this week? And here's the list it gave me. Overcommitting to a task you don't understand, but pretending you do. Buying a productivity app instead of facing your emotions. Trying to be chill via email and accidentally sounding like a serial killer. Credible, offensive. Accurate. Then I realized this isn't just funny, it's useful. This prompt turned my next possible failure into a checklist of warnings from future me. So I flipped the script and asked, okay, how do I not make those mistakes? ChatGPT said, say no faster. If you don't understand it, ask. You're not on a game show. Stop outsourcing your personality to punctuation, which is fair. So here's how you can try this too. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT, what's the next dumb decision I'm likely to make based on my patterns? Step 2. Don't get mad when it's right, literally. Step 3. Ask it to help you rewrite the script. It's like asking the future, what stupid plot twist am I about to walk into? Then handing yourself the eraser. Sometimes self-awareness doesn't come from meditation. It comes from a robot roasting you, gently like a toaster oven of truth. Try it, seriously. Worst case, you get roasted. Best case, you dodge the banana peel of fate and walk into next week like a genius in disguise. You're welcome.